Hello, I wanted to show you my 64 through 66 Mustang sequential taillight that I've designed. It has a 4x8 array of OSRAM automotive qualified LEDs per segment. The control of this is done by Infineon microcontroller, regulator, and FETs across the bottom that control each one of the sequences. There's a potentiometer which you can use to vary the sweep rate from either right to left or left to right. There's a mode select which will allow you to do either right sequence, left sequence, sequential braking or non-sequential braking. And then there's a new feature I call tail blanking. What it does when you have your driving lights on, the lights are running in tail mode, that if you turn on the blanking, what happens, it'll turn off these lights as the sequence starts. So it gives you a little bit higher contrast, and I'll show how that works. It's just a simple circuit board that fits into the bucket. There's an 1157 socket. I'll show you how it hooks up. Nice thing about this socket, it comes with a slot for a screwdriver, so it helps you out a little bit getting this lined up. And the board just presses right inside there. Turn it on. Now it's set up sweep to the right, flip the switch, sweeps left, flip it back, it's right again. And the potentiometer, if we go fully counterclockwise, this slows it the blink rate down with a sweep rate. Turn it back clockwise, it speeds it up. You can speed this up fast enough to where it almost becomes one solid light. That's fully clockwise. Put it back here in the middle. I'll show you how the tail blanking works. So right now you can see this is with your tail lights on, and it just does a ratio, sweeps across there. If you flip this on, the tails will actually turn off at the beginning of the sequence. It gives you a higher contrast when you're doing your tail lights. Again, this is user selectable. Show you how the whole thing goes together. Get your gasket. Goes on top of here. Then your lens. Again, if you notice here, all the electronics, the resistors and the electronics, they're in the area, not in the viewing area of the lens. So you see there's resistors here, the electronics. So when you put the lens on in the bezel, you don't see any of that. It's all hidden. The whole idea is to have it not really stand out as an LED light when you have it off. Lens on. Again, if you look through here, you can't see the electronics anymore. They're hidden under the reflex, under the gasket, and then under the dividers in the bezel. Go ahead and turn it back on for you. So there's what the finished light looks like. Turn on the tail. So thanks for watching.